Want to know the single most powerful way to grow your online income in the next few years? It's content creation. Think about it. With one audience, you can unlock unlimited income streams. This isn't just a trend. It's the future of how money is made online. And I'm going to break down exactly how you can get started, step by step. So, why does content matter so much? It's simple. The platforms themselves, like YouTube, pay creators directly for their views. Then, brands come knocking. They want to pay you to talk about their products to your audience. And most importantly, your viewers. The people who trust you can become your customers. Whether you're selling a course, a service, or a product, your audience is your most valuable asset. It's a direct line to people who are interested in what you have to say. Alright, so what kind of content should you actually make? The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about or have some knowledge in. This makes creating content sustainable and enjoyable. Popular and profitable niches right now include things like AI tutorials. Everyone wants to learn how to use these new tools. Crypto education is another huge one, helping people navigate that complex world. You could focus on general money tips, helping people save, invest, and manage their finances. Fitness is always a winner, whether it's workout guides, nutrition advice, or healthy lifestyle vlogs. Motivation is a massive category. People are always looking for inspiration and a push in the right direction. Tech reviews and tutorials are incredibly popular, as new gadgets and software are released all the time. You could teach freelancing skills, helping others escape the 9-to-5, or focus on broader business skills like marketing, sales, or leadership. Pick one that resonates with you and you'll have endless ideas. Now, where should you post this content? The big players are your best bet. YouTube is the king of long-form video, perfect for detailed tutorials, deep dives, and building a loyal community. But don't sleep on short-form video. This is where the explosive growth is happening. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even Facebook Reels are designed for quick, engaging, and highly shareable content. The best strategy is to use a mix. Create a main long-form video for YouTube, then chop it up into several short clips to post across all the other platforms. This maximizes your reach with minimal extra effort, but I don't want to be on camera. I hear you. And the good news is, you don't have to. You can create incredibly successful faceless channels. The formula is simple. Use high-quality stock video clips. Add clear text overlays to highlight key points and record a voiceover. That's it. Sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or paid services like Storyblocks give you millions of professional clips to use. Your voice and the value you provide are what truly matter, not whether your face is on screen. This approach is perfect for introverts or anyone who just wants to keep their privacy. Finally, the most important rule of all, be consistent. You need to treat this like a job, not a hobby. Posting one video per day might sound like a lot, but with the simple creation method we just talked about, it's totally achievable. Consistency is what the algorithms love. It tells the platform that you're a serious creator, and it starts pushing your content to more people. Even if your first videos don't get many views, don't stop. Growth is a compounding effect. One video per day is the formula, and if you stick to it, growth isn't just possible, it's guaranteed. So, let's recap. Content creation gives you influence. It gives you reach, and most importantly, it builds a foundation for long-term, sustainable income. It's your digital real estate. Start with a niche you like. Create simple videos using stock footage. And your voice, post them on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. And do it consistently every single day. That's the blueprint. The power to build an audience and an income is right at your fingertips. Now, go get started. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to grow online.